Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead on piano, easy method. Start by locating the main melodic motif and play it with your right hand, then add the left hand root notes as block chords. Keep tempo slow, isolate short phrases, and repeat until smooth. Use a metronome to increase speed gradually, and record yourself to check timing and dynamics for a lively performance. Break the main theme into manageable phrases and learn each phrase hands separately before combining them. Focus on accurate fingering and small hand shifts to avoid tension, and practice transitions between phrases until they feel natural. Emphasize the rhythmic quirks and tiny accents that give the tune its character, and use light dynamics changes to make the melody sing rather than play flat. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle you see here. It keeps you refreshed during long practice sessions and looks great on the piano bench. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your practice routine. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the left hand supportive with steady root and fifth patterns that lock in the groove, while you free the right hand to shape the melody. Start with quarter or eighth note patterns and resist adding complexity until coordination feels effortless. Once stable, introduce syncopated accents and alternating bass lines to mimic the original energy, always checking that bass volume balances the melody for a clear, musical result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.